Hey guys, today I'm in the back of my truck right now, and I'm going to show you how you take down the spare tire from underneath your truck so then you can use it. Now, I'm sure every vehicle is different, but I hope this will help you if you have no idea. So, first get into your toolkit. Mine is underneath this little thing in the back. And just untwist this, and usually when you take this off, now what I see right here is a little piece of paper. Get into your piece of paper and mine says, find it. Right there. Right there, the wheel lug wrench, that's this. Right here at the end is what takes down your tire. So grab that tool. I'm sure there's other tools too. You never know until you look. So just grab that tool and basically go back here. And there's going to be this little hole right here. What you want to do is stick your tool way up in there and basically turn it until it locks in. You see how this is locked? Okay? And then you turn it counterclockwise. And what that does is lowers your tire. It's kind of hard doing one-handed. Okay? And just give it a few more turns just to loosen it up. Pull it out. Okay, and there's your tire. This thing, basically, you just take this thing and you gotta pull it up underneath there and pull it out. And then your tire's free. To get it back in, you basically just do that, push it back in, and there you go. Now turn clockwise, and I'm not going to be able to do this on camera because I need both my hands, but just pull your tire up underneath there. You don't even need to get up underneath there, okay? And make sure your cable's straight. That would help too, okay? Once you get up underneath there, okay, just keep on turning this thing until your tire goes up underneath there. Keep your tire straight as it goes, as much as you can. Just keep on going until it sets back up underneath your truck. Okay? And then right here is about where mine is getting tight. Okay, right here. So all I have to do is give it a few snug turns, and that'll suck that tire right back up underneath there. Take out your tool, put it back inside wherever you got it, and that's how you take down and put back up your spare tire so you can use it. Thanks for watching. Please comment if you have a question, like the video, and share it with all your friends that need help with their spare tire. Thanks, and I'll see you later.